I've been so like light the past like 5 years of like having just like long streaks, and then 2 years ago like was the last time I really dyed my hair. So I'm excited to like just have some change.
Oh, you have so much hair.
I know I do. I'm desperate. I'm so bad. Hi.
Sorry, I slept with it now.
Oh my god. Wait, I'm filming right now. Look at Cindy bringing her Birkin. Oh my goodness. I don't even recognize myself. And like, I just went a little darker. But like, it used to be blonde right here, and it's so weird seeing myself in the mirror right now. Because this is like the darkest my hair has been in like the past 5 years. What do you think? Okay, I'm gonna surprise Mr. FashioNica. See what he thinks about my hair.
Hi, babies. Do you dye your hair?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. I do. Wow, you look so good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Downtown Fullerton. 10 years later, baby. Full circle here.
She asked to meet for dinner. What is this? What could this be? What is it?
Yeah, open it. Open it. Open it.
A little gift.
Yeah, it's a little gift. No problem. No big deal.
Wait, these are. Oh my god, the photos. Oh, I'm gonna cry. We're so young in here. Stop. This is so cute. God, how cute. I accept.
Thank God, I was nervous.
Okay, so we used to frequent DTF. We're in the heart of downtown Fullerton. DTF used to be called downtown Fullerton. Now our DTF is Din Tai Fung. But we used to go to the bars every Thursday, and this was one of the places.
Florentines, if you guys know.
Florentine's was our favorite place.
You know.
And so now we're getting fucked. At the place that we used to party at, there used to be a Chateau in this.
Tattoo here. So we used to get boba and then party.
By the way, this is my best friend Nez, Vanessa. I've grown up with her. This was her debut when she turned 18. This used to be Florentine.
Shout out if you guys know.
So
What's up?
we used to come here. How many years ago?
This is 10 years ago. 2016 was that girl. That year was something else. There was something else in the air.
Our favorite bar.
Favorite bar.
The best.
Florentines, if you know, you know. I think you guys know. You guys are from
If you're from-
if you're from Orange County and you're Filipino, you know.
So the hit we ended up at a bar. What are we doing here? Okay. We got the courage to sign up for the karaoke. So we're gonna sing Someone Like You by Adele, which is a signature. Yeah, yeah. Since you've been gone. You had your chance, you know it. Outside, outside. Shut your mouth and just can't take it. Again and again and again and again.
Feel the love.
Hi.
Oh, it's here.
Do you know what this is?
Yes, I've been talking to Davis about it.
Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Going to look. How long did this take?
Like a month.
Okay, that's not bad.
Especially because they said it was gonna take longer.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna see. You want to see an unboxing? You ready? I'm gonna cry. Oh my god.
Wow, that looks just like them.
Wow.
Oh my god.
That literally looks just like them. Stop, you guys. This is gonna be my new favorite bag. I love that it's so easy to see. It's good that she decided to outline it because
Yeah.
it's a lot more obvious too. Oh my gosh.
I was also surprised that it looks so much like Louis and Kingston.
It does. It's so detailed. This is literally.
Kingston to a T.
Do you know, like, if I like?
Oh,
Is it
they
gonna
did
rub
wear
off?
tests on these already, so like it's waterproof too.
Wow. That is so crazy. We are about to go on live with Alisha, and I'm so excited because we're actually going to be auctioning a lot of her bags. I am literally posting the announcement literally right now. Okay, literally just posted right now. I'm so excited. This has been like weeks in the making, maybe even months actually, because we've been talking for a long time about this, but I'm so excited to see how it turns out and also to see Alisha in her office because that's like pretty cool. She is a bag girly, and I know she's gonna freak out about all the Birkins and the Kellys that we have secured.
Oh my god, Louis! Hi. Welcome, welcome.
This is Louis.
Hi, Louis.
This is the fulfillment room. So this is where we ship out all of like our bags. We had our bag drop yesterday, so all of these bags have sold. So we're now sending it out.
Oh
to
my
everyone.
god. This is so sick seeing the behind the scenes.
I know, it takes a village. People, it's crazy because people still think that it's like a one-woman show.
You're
but,
like, there's no way.
There's just no way.
And these are all the $1 ones, right?
These are $1 options.
Okay.
All of them that we have allocated.
They look so good.
So good, right?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Good luck, guys. Woo! Okay. Okay, we are officially live. Hello, hello. Hi, if you are watching right now on TikTok, we are about to get started. If you have no idea what's happening, feel free to watch the video that we literally just posted a few minutes ago.
Hi.
Alisha!
I am in every week of the bag drops. I get the sneak peek on the emails. Like, I'm always like putting in the code. I see what bags are being sold. Hi, I'm Alisha. I'm so excited to be here. I'm like honored to be here, and I'm also very thankful because NICA came over, we went through my closet, and I was like, hey, you're the only person I trust with this. I have bags that I'd love to give another home to. So some of them back here are mine from my closet that I love and I didn't want to get rid of, but I just...
What this is called the bag capsule. So essentially this is a series where we invite our favorite influencers and our favorite celebrities to shop their closet. For those who are watching on TikTok, you've actually made it to the right place. If you click that bottom left-hand corner, this is your official announcement. The bags have just dropped in the bottom left-hand corner. And you'll be able to see which ones are Alisha's bags because it's titled Alisha's Collection.
Wait, I love it.
The Kelly. We have to add a Kelly in your drop.
Guys. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my
I saw my screen. That's crazy. You guys, congrats. That's amazing.
Yeah, thank you guys so much, Alisha, for supporting our business. Like,
Yeah,
it's
of
just so
course.
cool that Alisha even knows about FashionNica. It's telling us that, like, it's giving medium business, like small medium.
No, you're like hustling over here, and it's so cool. I've always wondered the behind the scenes of.
But we have one more surprise that is happening right now. Alisha, I wanted to say thank you for literally just all of your support.
Why are you gonna make me
Like,
cry? No, what?
I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful.
No,
Guys, like,
no.
it's so cool that Alisha is just so willing to like support our business, and it's just a little thank you.
Thank you for. Should I?
If you want to, here, I'll help
Wait,
you.
I'm scared. Wait, no, I really didn't expect anything, and I'm gonna scream. Oh my god, stop. Oh my god, how'd you know? I've always wanted one. I've never had one. Oh my god, stop. Literally, shut the fuck up. Sorry, I can't cuss. Oh my god, you're so sweet. You don't have to. Are you sure? Are you sure? You're like,
I'm
actually,
so
are you
sure.
sure? You do not
I
have to.
literally,
I
I
didn't
saw,
do-
I know. I saw your video, and you're like, I'm looking for a Chloe Paddington. I'm like, oh, we'll save that for her.
Wow,
Save that for her.
love it. Wait, that's so sweet. You did not have to, truly. Like, truly.
Girl,
Like,
you're
I
so
came
grateful.
here just because I wanted to, I promise. But, oh my god. I've always wanted one.
Beautiful. Chocolate brown, Chloe Paddington. I saw Alisha post, I want to say at this point it's been like a few months since she talked about it, but as soon as I saw her say that, I'm like, okay, we have to.
Me leaving.
I'm like, okay, bye. She got that
Oh my
bag.
god.
We want someone to have that like unboxing experience still, regardless if it's like pre-loved.
I know. What did you do? What would you do? What would you do? You're so cute.